Morning Pbz.
Weather bulletin for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Butler and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Good morning.
For Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Van Engel County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, until 9:45 a.m. At 8:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kinsman, or 11 miles north of Sharpsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Sharon, Grove City, Franklin, Sharpsville, Greenville, Cigar Creek, Farrell, New Wilmington, Mercer, Pulaski, Stoneboro. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 108 and 136. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 37. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 4 and 8. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook
Focus,
page,
oh my
or
god.
using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.